Grand awakening, Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree, book a massage with me. Check out the ebooks, check out the music, the NFTs. Great products are there, and I can't wait to meet you. Your word of the day is success. Gemini, you've been leaning forward. You've been putting in the work. Now, Spirit is saying you've made it. I'm giving you the downloads of what to do with your great talents, how to use them. Show up, show out, be your greatest self, because I need you, the world needs you, and this is your time to shine, Gemini. I know you understand what I'm saying. I'm speaking to your spirit today. I grow and I thrive in the universe. I discover the purity of my heart and the higher wisdom that guides me towards victory. I direct my thoughts towards clarity and nurture wisdom, love, and goodness within me. Are you doing that? Yes, you are, because you wouldn't get to this point of success if you didn't. I'm free now, and I succeed in my life. Push forward, because the season of breakthrough is all yours, and you've earned it. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.